Yeah, g'day. It's Chriso here. I've been a tiler professional for 32 years. 35 actually, 35. This is what I'm doing at the moment. Just turn the camera around. I'm just about to start grouting. I'm just mixing up my grout now. As you go, you just check it for clean, checking your lines. I'm just starting here. The consistency of your grout, I'll show you. I never use a drill and all that for mixing grout. It goes a long way. So it's just like toothpaste. See that? Bloody beautiful. That's the consistency. Most of the time I buy a new float. I like them new and crisp and a nice edge and that sort of thing. So they're only, you know, like I think that was $14 or $15. It's nice to have a nice square edge, because this is quite a soft rubber and it wears down fairly quick. Dropped a bit, no biggie. I've got 3 tiles I need to put in, but I want to do my wall grout first, and then I can concentrate on the floor. I did this VJ joint yesterday, so I'll just go down my lines, my joins, with a bit of no more gaps shortly when I'm doing the silicone. The owner is going to be painting it all in a couple of days' time in his weekend. So it's cool. You just push it in. And I have the same colour on the floor. This grout is called Misty Grey, and it's very popular. I use it a lot actually. I've found that these tiles, like I'm even noticing that when I'm grouting, it's sort of a slow process to grout. They've been a slow process to put up. But maybe I'm a bit spoiled because I do a lot of 6x3 and 6x6 tiles. These have got a matte finish, so that's why it's a little bit slower to grout as well. You haven't got your smooth wipe on. Plumber will be coming in a few days' time to fit off. And all's good. The vanity hasn't arrived yet. But it will. It will. Okay, I'll get back to you shortly. I'll go and get some water and that in my washboard. And I'll start wiping off. I don't want to leave it too long. But I'll know as soon as I start wiping off whether it's too soon or not, you know, that I have to leave it a little bit longer. I had a skinny cut, not that it matters with this sort of tile because it all blends in. That's the way it's worked out. Everything is matching, like it folds around and folds around. So that's why I've got a smaller cut up that edge. But it's on that particular wall that you don't even see as you come in. But it all blends in anyway. Okay. We'll see you soon. Bye.